Stacking these washers, man.
Oh, did you stack some dimes too, or?
Dude, this is a Christmas tree out of washers.
Oh God.
It's gonna work.
Oh God. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with some 280 content because it's been like 40 million years since we've brought in some
It's been ages.
dude, it's been 40 years. We definitely can put some like SpongeBob like quotes here and stuff like that, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh God.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Oh God. But really, dude, what's the main reason why we haven't been working on this beautiful hunk of oh yeah, almost tripped on the beautiful hunk of machinery that we haven't been working on either. But why haven't we been doing this? Huh? What's the deal with this?
Dude, sadly, I think I have been doing stuff.
But it's just been little stuff, and like
Yeah.
I'm back to work full time. And Tony's just got life going on, so he's doing Tony,
Yeah.
which is amazing for him. Yeah, Tony's been just like doing life, so we really haven't had a chance to work on this at all. But well, I haven't been able to be out here while Tony's working on this. But dude, what are the big things that you've done since that first
Honestly,
drive?
I don't even know what we
Yeah, here's a little Larry right here. Dude, this wasn't on for the first drive on that whole video. So Tony took that V-band off and put the turbo flange under there. He actually ran a whole
this can get moved.
he actually ran a whole exhaust. He thought he needed a scavenge pump. Didn't need that. Just clock the turbo a different way, and the feed's good now. And then the drain actually runs down, and it runs into the oil pan. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not really a correct place. So they say, even though there is adapters made to run the feed or the drain there. So I don't know. A little bit back and forth on that topic.
Yeah. So that's negotiations in the
Yeah.
forums. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Just
Boom.
debates. But another big thing.
Dude, that's
Dude, that is solid. But so turbo's in here, wastegate's on here also. Got it. Ram for hoses
while
for
your hand's
wastegate.
there, go ahead and show them my little, craftsmanship.
Oh yeah, Tony also did some little craftsmanship. Made a jump pack for the beginning of this over here, dude. Yeah. So dimple a little bit, pretty cool.
Yeah, you can put your jumper cables up there since there's no battery up here, and I needed to connect this, and it was getting pinched where I have my cap. So I was like, you know what? I'll make. At first, I wasn't even gonna make it that long. I was just gonna make a little connector just so it can reach. But then I was like, dang, no battery up here. And then I can jump it up here if I need to.
Yeah, so yeah, I forgot, dude. After like actually starting to go through everything, like there's a lot done.
Dude, I'm
And
stoked
then
about that.
Tony just got that
Oh, yeah,
done
the
tonight.
big boy.
But we'll get that in a second. But wastegate's done. Those lines are ran.
Excess racing. Got
Oh yeah. Excess
44?
Yeah,
44
44.
mil.
Your blow off valve's on the way. What size did you end up getting for blow off?
It's another excess. You can get it in the kit. For some reason, I didn't.
Yeah.
But it's a 50 mil.
Yeah. So got that. That's on its way. We'll have to put that probably
Somewhere
over
there. Fill up some
here.
space somewhere.
Yeah. Dude.
I got the 90-degree.
Boot coming
Boot,
in
yeah.
because the reused Cummins boot is
It
no
worked
good anymore.
It worked from when we
But,
had this temporary.
Dude, I'm gonna go show him the cool stuff too. Dude, I'm starting to remember all the cool stuff Tony's done.
Oh.
So if you can see that, Tony started to make a diffuser. Still got to finish the sides. We have some footage for that, and then once he finishes the sides over there, we're gonna make a whole complete video on that.
There's gonna be another.
Yeah. So this over here, that right there, there's gonna be one of those over here too. So it's gonna turn out pretty nice on the exhaust size, and then Yeah, he did a gas
I haven't
door
finished
delete.
that.
That needs finished, dude.
Heck yeah.
But then wheels and tires. So if you guys remember, our dailies flooded just a little bit. So Tony tactfully acquired. Is that the words? Tactfully acquired his wheels from the TC, and I think you were just saying that you're trying to get like 4 to 5 lug adapters and run these.
Yeah, so they make them. They're strong, but that way I can. These are brand new Federal. What size? How wide are these?
I think they're 255s. Yeah, 255s.
255 on MB Battle wraps. They're nice and fat. These were just something that I thought.
eBay specials.
Yeah, and we stretched these tires because someone nearby they were brand new. So I was like, we'll make them work. But then like this happened, car flooded. So
Yeah, so he has those. Should
shout
work.
out to my little bro with the Civic on the other episode. About to get,
Yeah, he might get.
he's about to get an early Christmas present maybe.
Maybe. But so all that, me personally, my truck has been the source of experimentation. So hopefully I've learned enough now to put a halfway decent tune on this. Knowing the stuff I know now, I mean, half of the things I were doing right, some of the things were in the wrong direction, but it didn't blow up, at least that we know of yet. So that didn't blow up, so that's good there. So all we got to do is just fix those little issues in that, and that should be good. And then the piece de resistance, Tony got this intercooler, Facebook Marketplace. It's a Godspeed, what is it, 3-inch or 4-inch intercooler?
4-inch because this pipe's 3-inch.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
This thing's freaking.
Yeah,
50
so,
wood.
yeah, like, yeah, like my whole hand across. Yeah, this thing's definitely going to be able to flow some.
And then look how snugly it just.
Yeah, fits like right in there, and then your bumper, whenever you decide to get one of those,
Just
should
fab
go
these up.
right over. Yeah, he just mounted that, tacked them in there, and those are pretty solid. Then the turbo's gonna feed in through here.
Yeah, a little 90-degree filter right there. So, because the plan is with this is basically this whole area is gonna have a sheet metal shroud, just so everything scoops into it, goes through there, and then my vents on the hood will actually be active vents.
Yeah, so he's hoping to do that. So we'll get to that.
Yeah.
And then this 3-inch piping, definitely gonna move a lot of air.
Just think that I was about to run 2.5 of the Amazon intercooler.
Yeah. Hey, but so definitely, dude, how's this experience been for you? Like, do you love this vehicle? Hate this vehicle? What are Tony's words on this? Philosophical.
I feel like it's honestly taken forever, even though when I actually looked back on the dates the other day, it hasn't even been a year yet, and that's even with COVID, new baby. So during all that time, winter, moving into a new house,
Yeah.
literally.
Because we literally got this new house. And then we went and picked this car up the weekend after.
Sat in here.
And then it sat in here for a couple months before we actually were able to do stuff because new house, moving in. Yeah.
This
So,
thing actually has been through a freaking
huge transformation
Yeah.
from what it was.
We didn't record a lot of it, which we were kind of bummed out
Because
about.
we didn't
like,
even have the channel at the time. So,
floors getting redone, rust everywhere getting redone, interior, the carpet's new. Dude, yeah, this thing's. I'm stoked. Hopefully we can get a solid tune and I can get it registered here in probably a few weeks, honestly. Yeah.
yeah, but other than that, like, this car has gone through a lot, and so has our channel. Like, our channel's had its ups and downs, you know what I mean? But we're still growing. So, like, if you guys could just hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button on this video, leave a comment or 12, that'd be cool.
Yeah, comment or 12,
Just spam it, you know? I'll approve them all. Send it. But, yeah.
Shout out to our sponsors. Go check them out.
Yeah. So.
Michigan Motorsports. They got
Yeah,
some good deals on some
yeah.
good stuff.
And we don't have I don't think. Do you have any Michigan Motorsports parts on this at all?
I don't think so. I think the only thing we literally, when we found
use
out
for
about
this
them,
is the tool.
that alignment
Tool.
Yeah.
So that might have to change with this. We might have to get some Michigan Motorsport valve train stuff.
upgrades.
Trunnion upgrades, push rods too, man. You
Yeah.
know. So,
More
but
to
then our little stand over there, we'll have to. That's another story because we've just been focused on the truck, house, this car that kind of took a back seat for a second. So we're gonna have to get back with that. That really just needs an ignition control module, correct?
Something like that.
So yeah, we just need one of those for
And
that.
tires and brakes.
Yeah, we just need a couple things for that, and then that should be good. But we just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on what's going on with this car, guys, while you haven't seen it for a second. Other than that, you got any final words? Tony's final words?
If anyone, final words is, because we just thought to say, if anyone watched the videos on me making this hot side, I definitely learned tricks here and there. I've bettered myself, especially with getting that wastegate mounted. I've learned techniques. So therefore, we're going to possibly start turning out and producing some hot sides. So if anyone wants any, wants a set,
Hit up your
kit.
boys on social media.
Yeah.
Go and DM us.
Yeah, they'll be hopefully as close to universal as possible, but basically truck style, truck/swap, and then your F-body GTO front, I guess.
Yeah.
Mount. So yeah, stay tuned for that. That's about it.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.